What do Harland Sanders, the Colonel, Richard Branson, and Stephen King have in common with countless of other successful people? They all had massive failures on their journey to success. Colonel Sanders, at age 62, was turned down by over 1,000 restaurants for his chicken recipe. Richard Branson's Virgin Coke went out of business trying to compete with Coke and Pepsi. Stephen King's original manuscripts were rejected by over 30 publishers. What they also had in common was they didn't quit. They were driven by an internal belief system that told them one plan didn't work out, but it doesn't mean the next one won't. Resilience in business and life is the fuel that pushes you to do extraordinary things. They knew that one failure does not define them. It drives them. The key to overcoming failure is knowing we will fail, but also knowing it will not be final. It's okay to grieve for a bit, but then we get back up, dust ourselves off, and get back after it. So, here's your action item and mission should you decide to accept it. Did you lose your biggest customer? Not get the promotion you deserve? Have a product that didn't work out? If so, understand these 4 things about failure, resilience, and eventual success. Resilience is having the mental fortitude to get knocked down 7 times and get back up 8. It's recognizing the reality of our situation, whatever it is, and pushing ahead. It's knowing there will always be failures, no denials, but making and implementing a plan to get through and past those failures. It's having resilience is knowing we will fail, but making sure it's not our last failure. And having resilience is knowing that each failure makes us stronger. Whatever failure happened to you, it's over. Success comes to those who try one more time. Give it a go, and I'll be here cheering for you. Remember, one hand washes the other, and together they get clean. Thank you for watching. Have a really rewarding week, and let's help each other, and I'll see you next time. And if you're watching this on YouTube, please don't forget to subscribe and like this video. With just a couple of clicks, you could be helping thousands of people.